for the link between the nervous system and the immune system, it's kind of been like the holy grail of chiropractic for the last several years. And while there are arguments on either side, I want to tell you what we know for certain. And that is that the vagus is the fastest and most direct link between the brain and immune-related tissue in the gut. And one of the most important things it does is it helps to modulate immune response. Let me repeat that. Efferent fibers from the dorsal motor nucleus of the vagus help to modulate our immune response. It helps to mount the immune response. Now, there have been many studies over the last 20 years using vagus nerve stimulation and showing how vagal nerve stimulation can actually reduce inflammation in the body. And not just reduce inflammation temporarily, but actually create a downregulation of cytokine receptors. What does that translate to? If you stimulate the vagus nerve, you impact the immune system. Now, as you know, the vagus nerve has afferent branches that are closest to the surface of the skin in this area around the ear and upper cervicals. So, am I making an extrapolation when I say that when you adjust somebody, you're stimulating the vagus nerve? 100%. We do not yet have the science that shows us definitively that when you adjust somebody, you stimulate the vagus nerve. But there is quite a lot of data that actually shows through transcutaneous vagus nerve stimulation that you're actually impacting the immune system. And my argument is this. In the case of an upper cervical adjustment, when you adjust the upper cervical spine, if we are in fact impacting the immune system, and 20 years of scientific and medical research data tell us that when you stimulate the vagus nerve, you actually decrease inflammation, then I'm going to say that when you adjust the upper cervical spine, you are very likely impacting the immune system,